I can just hear my grandparents saying, "No, like, why are you being so loud?" We need to build bridges across these things. I'm tired of running around them. Oh, that was a good. That was good though. We did very good, guys. I'm proud of that. And these are burnt. Thanks for the memories.
Thanks for the memories. Even though they weren't so great.
Yeah, right.
Let's go do the ends again.
No.
I mean, technically we could just to get a second trophy for the house.
I need to make a lot more fire arrows.
You just need arrows in general.
Well, the fire was doing a passive damage, passive burning.
Tastes like you, sweeter.
You said there's a troll somewhere over here?
There was. I think it despawned though.
I highly doubt that.
I saw that there is.
The fuck?
Why are there so many logs over here?
Why? I don't know.
It must have been a wolf. Oh, nice blocks.
Oh, right here? It's because these are the logs that crushed me.
Are you getting on your raft?
Yeah, we'll just get on the raft.
All right,
Leave the raft here. We can use it. Or put it on that little island over there. Like, we can use it as, you know, the outpost raft, right, basically.
Well, I mean, if we have beds here, then there's no point.
I don't plan on dying or respawning across the map. Get on, Wolf, before I fall away. Get on, Wolf. No, I'm sailing away. I'm sailing away. I can't stop it. Oh my gosh. There you go.
Fuck.
Oh my goodness.
Bad.
Gee, you schmuck.
What the fuck?
Oh my.
What the fuck? What the fuck was?
Xez, please tell me you didn't do that.
I did not do that. I was steering the boats.
Huh? What? That wasn't me. I didn't have anything in my hand.
Get on the raft, you schmucks.
Well, I guess we're getting on the raft.
God, time to make a new boat.
Did you? What? Did you? Hold on. Was it? Did you not repair it? You did something, didn't you?
No, I didn't. I had to look at my stream. Look at my stream. Go back and watch it, and you will see why.
I haven't recorded, so I can prove it wasn't me either.
I was on the raft, so I couldn't fucking do anything.
Oh my! Someone please clip that. I'm heartbroken.
The fuck was? How did it break? What did it not? What?
You broke it.
How did I break it? I just got.
You broke it.
My goodness.
You devil man. Where's that trophy at? Who has the trophy?
I do. I do.
Gosh. There you go. Oh my goodness.
Oh, that's a new one. I just got a text message saying,
Gosh.
"Dear user, your phone is getting too many spam messages. Clear them now and go to this link." Yeah, okay, guy.
I like to formerly blame Xez on the boat problem.
Well, that's all you, dude.
I don't even know what
Raft. See, the raft provides safety.
I know, right? You know what happened? You know, in my experience.
You know how much work? You know how much work it? Do you have the bronze nails on it?
I didn't get anything from it.
Okay.
Wait, I do have it. Hold on. I have the nails. It wasn't me though.
It was you.
I didn't have it.
We got the resources back.
You destroyed it. You destroyed it, you son of a gun.
But I didn't do. I haven't recorded. I haven't fucking recorded. I did not do it.
I haven't recorded it. Doesn't prove your innocence.
Yes, it does.
It's always you. How dare you?
I will prove my innocence. All I did was get on the fucking boat.
You destroyed my boat.
How much did it cost? I got 80 nails. That's all.
Give me the nails.
Nah.
Okay. Give me the nails. There's land over here.
The raft is God. It will not damage. See? When the raft is better at sailing than an actual ship.
Oh,
Boy,
oops.
don't you fucking hit this.
See, he is the one breaking shit.
No, it was you. You broke my boat.
I didn't break shit.
I'll push you off.
I can't
Push
even.
you.
Hold on. Oh, it's because I don't have a workbench.
You destroyed my ship.
I didn't destroy
I
shit.
shall destroy your. I'll destroy your life. See, there you go, breaking things.
I just got a deer trophy from doing that. What?
I just threw it out of my inventory.
Oh. I got so confused. I'm like, what?
Just keep doing that, getting deer trophies. Give me the arrow. Give me the nails.
No.
Are you gonna make it then?
Yes.
Do you know how?
Yeah.
Do you know how long it took me to do it?
Yeah.
30 seconds. Keep me up this pathetic thing.
Here, I'm gonna go make it again.
You better go make it. Kick your ass.
Look, there it is.
Did you really make it?
Yeah.
Y'all.
That just proves the point that you destroyed my boat.
I didn't destroy shit.
You destroyed it.
That's fucking hilarious. it just breaks and it's just like, what happened?
Dude, I was so upset.
Yo, man, what the fuck happened? Who's destroying our shit?
It was Zez.
Of course,
Whatever.
no, it was you. Get the hell out of here, Sadie.
Whatever. I was so upset first like 30 seconds
Alright,
there.
I'm gonna go put the trophy on.
Hang on, I'll come join you here in a second.
Come join me! Come join the penguin, and as he mounts the head of an ant.
I'm trying to clear out my storage.
Oh, that was a. Alright, we're going.
Who doesn't have a swamp key? Because I have 2 of them.
I don't have one. I gave it back.
You should keep it.
Y'all are gonna need to hurry the hell up and get over here.
I'm coming. And I'm coming.
No, you're not. It says the guy that destroys the boat.
I didn't
Okay.
destroy the boat, you bastard.
He is Xezbeth, the destroyer of boats.
Yeah, that's me. That is me.
So if there's ever a naval fight between us, a PvP naval fight, freaking whoever has Zez on their team is gonna win immediately.
He's just gonna win immediately. I guess he'll just go over there and just delete the boat.
Whatever.
No, he's just gonna get on it.
He's just gonna get on and just start hacking at it.
Are you saying I'm fat or something?
No,
Yes.
I'm calling you chubby.
I am chubby, but screw you.
Bro, like ever since, like every time we complete a boss, like all the now I have like a Greydorf brew. Ever since we complete like every boss, like it just gets harder. Or is it just the days that go by that makes it harder?
It's every boss. So, I wish I just knew where the damn swamp was at, though.
Hurry up! Come!
I'm here.
Oh man, I'm running out of energy.
Hurry!
I'm here, you Who is this?
That's fat bastard.
That's the bone moss thingy.
Oh, look, faster wood cutting.
Oh, lovely.
Wait, really? That's the power?
That's the power.
Fuck that.
So instead of getting, less stamina usage, faster wood cutting.
What's the title of this video? Faster wood cutting.
Wait, hang on, everybody.
I wonder what
Stay
this
right.
guy says. Oh wait.
Oh wait, hey! He said something. Little thing of blood and bone. I should have snapped you like a twig. Now I wither and die. Let the great tree have me. Really, Zez?
Come on, say something. Say something.
Hang on, come here, Wolf. Come here 1 second.
What?
Are you taking damage from that?
No.
Nope.
It's because I don't have PvP on.
Oh, I thought it was everybody. Never mind.
No. Freaking, this guy keeps talking to me. I want to hear from this guy, the elder, I mean.
Did you say Mjolnir?
Oh, here we go. Little thing of blood and bone. Just be like a... Now I wither and die. Like creep.
Alright, now we gotta go to this. What? Now we gotta find where the swamps are. Alright, go back
This
to
is my conquest right here.
go to high speed handy dandy Google. Where
Guys,
is the swamp?
I'm just gonna walk there. Comrade, press
Okay.
C.
Wait, I'm leveling up my unarmed.
Okay, we got the elder.
Press C.
Alright,
You're just
so-
walking.
Oh.
So the next one is called the biome, which is in the swamps, wherever the swamp is at. It gives you the wishbone used to find hidden treasure, chest, and silver ore, bone mass trophy, and a bone mass power.
Fuck you.
But where's the swamps at though? I have yet to find any swamps. Have you guys found any swamps?
Swamps?
That's why we explore.
We go south. Hold
Oh,
on.
we go
If
south.
we think about it, the Black Forest is to the north. The mountains are
Black
to
Forest.
the east. Maybe the swamps are to the south?
I'm gonna be laughing if y'all just keep encountering more Black Forest.
Well, I'm gonna hit south then for a little while.
Wait for me.
Alright, come on. I'll have my torch up.
Honest to God, what does the running like? What do these skills do? Because I don't feel like I'm like gaining
There's less
anything.
stamina, apparently.
Slightly less stamina, I bet.
I guess.
Okay, jumping is jump height. Axes is with damage with axes. Running is stamina and speed and stamina drain when running. Pickaxes, damage with pickaxes. Swimming, stamina drain with stamina drain, damage. Okay, yeah.
Freaking boar. There is nothing.
All
this
Black
time.
Forest.
What the heck? What's up, homie? I missed. Oh, man, I'll tell you what. No, it's all meadows.
What we do need is more fucking copper.
Yeah, we do. Well, we know where it's at. It's in the Black Forest.
That's true.
Wait, there's structures here.
That's right.
There's what?
Wait, there's like a little structure here. There's nothing in
Oh,
it,
yeah, there
though.
is. It's an outhouse.
God, I gotta take a shit.
We're just running straight down.
Yep.
We'll find it eventually.
We'll find something.
Yo, what the fuck? I found the best thing with the knife. Holy shit.
What'd you find?
Your secondary attack is that you leap forward and stab down.
Oh, really?
Also, wow, no, it does not use that much fucking stamina. Jesus
Oh,
Christ.
there's skeletons in the meadows.
Yeah, you never heard of Skeleton Meadows before? Dude, it's an amazing fucking place.
We're in the Black Forest.
Rattle me bones, Batman.
Oh, there's skeletons here.
I just said that.
No, it's like it's a dungeon there.
Oh,
Rattle me bones!
let's check it out. Okay. Alright, that skeleton's gone. Jesus. Alright, let's check out. You want to check this out? It's a bit of people. We can find some more of those Surtling cores.
Oh, they were being beset upon on all sides.
Why are these skeletons a lot stronger than the other ones?
I don't know.
Let's go this way. Alright, this way's a dead end. Never mind. Let's go left. Let's go right. You always go right. Oh!
My God.
Get out of here. Amber Pearl. We discovered what we do with Amber Pearls yet, or no?
Now they're valuables.
Oh, okay. We just gotta find the trader then.
Yep.
Which he's somewhere in the Black Forest, though.
Somewhere. We don't know where, but he's somewhere.
Day 35. Alright, I'll take him out for you. I see you behind the door, you little bastard.
Watch out.
Yep, I see him.
Oh, hello. We got
Testicles.
gold, amber, ruby, and just some arrows.
Alright, I'll take the arrows.
No,
If
what
you
if,
don't mind.
what if
You?
Wolf wants the arrows?
Well, he don't use arrows.
That's a lie. He
There's a
does
ghost.
have a-
Wait, no, it's a fucking den or whatever.
Alright, get back in here. Get in here. Get in here. Somewhere big. Oh, I see. I thought you said it was something else. My bad. Oh, you little boakin, I guess a boa constrictor. Did you get it?
It's a very corny dad joke.
It was. I'm sorry.
Trash. Get it out of here.
Boo.
There's another door here.
Yeah, I saw down this way. Oh, hello, skeleton. Well, I see a ghost. Or maybe that's a bone den. It's over there.
No,
Oh!
that's a bone den.
Oh, get back. There's somewhere big. I'm poisoned. getting poisoned?
Get out of there, you're gonna die from poison.
Yes, I am.
Watch out!
Right
Watch
back.
out!
4, 3, 2, 1. I died. No.
That's what you get. You let him hit you twice with poison.
Yeah, no. I'll go. Just stay there. I'll go run through you real quick. Yeah, that's annoying.
So have y'all found it yet?
No, we haven't found the swamp yet.
I'm telling you, it's all black fucking forest.
It's gotta be somewhere. You know, I'm getting real sick and tired of dying. You know that?
Well, then stop dying.
I'm working on it. If I had better teeth, I was kidding. I'm gonna shut up right there.
You're the one who just like straight ran into his poison and just stood there like an idiot. And,
Yeah.
and here's the thing: instead of fighting him, you
Died.
went to loot. No, he went to go loot and just stood there.
I don't know what you're talking about, sir. I was getting to a tactical spot.
Well, I'm taking the loot from the chest now.
Wait, who died and who's at spawn or at home?
I died.
Oh my lord, how did you die?
I got killed by poison. Were you not
Hey,
watching the
I actually
stream?
registered the location.
Of what?
Oh no! Oh, so oh my god! So I registered the
died?
location of the elder. That's all I did.
Oh, okay. So I can get
Oh.
rid of it now.
Oh, you can delete it now?
Yep.
Oh shit!
Good.
Let's see what Zez has on him.
Stop taking my stuff.
He got some.
You died, so it's fair and square.
Swamp keys, mushroom. That's mine. What is this? Ancient seed. What does he have? Ancient seed.
Who's gonna spawn the
That's how you
elder?
summon the boss.
Is that really? To summon the boss?
Yep.
Yeah.
I'm making you carry a lot of this shit now.
Okay.
So I'm putting more items in your inventory so I can take more items from yours. I'm taking the money.
That's fine.
Why the hell? Why are you taking his lunch money?
Because I'm a
Alright,
bully.
dick.
Bully. Teacher.
And what are the teachers gonna do? They're just gonna look at you.
Yeah, I know they're just gonna look and be like, "That's not my problem."
I cannot tell you how
Wait
many.
a second.
I cannot tell you how many times I've got
Elementary, middle school, or high school?
high school.
Okay, yeah, I know. They
Middle
won't do
school.
shit.
Cannot tell you how many times I got bullied and like I've been a punch and I was like extremely close to punching the dude. She just stood there.
You should have punched him. What are you talking about?
One time I did, but the teacher wasn't looking.
Oh, you did it the bitch way.
Pussy. Either get caught or don't do it.
You said pussy.
It was satisfying. And there was another time where I
What, not
there was another time where I did do it in front of the teacher except I didn't punch him. I pushed him against filing cabinets.
Ooh. That's how most porn videos start.
Pushed him pretty hard too.
I remember smacking mine. I remember smacking the one that would try to do it to me. I was like, no. The teacher looked at me like, okay, don't know what fuck with him. Because I was sleeping in class and the kid thought he would be sneaky trying to rummage through my backpack and I stood up and immediately bitch smacked him.
Oh yeah.
Like with the back of my hand too. I was like, don't you dare. Teacher fucking heard it. It was just like,
Do you want to know something? I think someone once tried to frame me for stealing. Because I got back from I think I left the class real quick and I came back and the period ended. And then I went to
Crap,
the next,
where is-
and then I went to the next period, and I looked at my book bag, and someone else's iPad was in my bag. That didn't belong. It didn't belong to me. So I gave it to the teacher, and then they and it was funny because like literally like 5 seconds later, they found the kid who it belonged to.
Nice. I can't find the entrance to that dungeon.
It's because you're trash. Garbage. Look at this naked man running around. He's trash.
Where is it, damn it? There's a nest over there.
Show me the dungeons, huh?
Yes.
I can't find it.
What do you mean you can't find it? You're literally.
I can't find the entrance.
Hold on, I'm just gonna go outside. Actually, you want hold on? I'm gonna loot your corpse. Get the torch. This is mine.
I see no dungeon. There is no dungeon here. There is nothing.
I swear to God, there was.
Bullshit, you're lying.
Yeah, I know.
Oh.
I'm lost. Oh, there it is. I think I found it right over here.
Fucking, that's it. Yeah, no, that's it.
Guys, I think I'm lost. I'm lost in here.
How the
There we
fuck
go.
you
Got
get
it.
lost in a dungeon?
Oh, never mind.
Ugh.
I'm here. Hey, hey.
Alright, give me my stuff that you
I
took.
don't have any of your stuff.
Give me my stuff you took.
I have your torch.
Where's Zez's shit? I need to steal it.
It's not. That's not that way, Zez. It's over. Just follow the open doors.
You
Oh, it's over
closed
here.
them.
It's over this direction.
Wait, where is it?
Okay, it's in one of these
Where's my
rooms.
body at?
It's in the other.
It's in one of these rooms. There it is.
Give me my stuff.
I just stood over it. I didn't take anything.
Oh, I was about to say, don't take my stuff.
I took the course. They're mine now.
I was gonna build a portal.
I don't care.
Fine.
I took all your money too, so. Yeah.
I figured.
I have to shank you.
By the way, my spear's about to break.
Fix it.
Yeah.
Let's see.
We found everything that way.
Go! Charge!
It's not that way. Just follow the closed doors. Like literally, all the doors are closed.
Oh, doors here. You're trash. You're garbage.
Oh, shrooms.
We haven't been in this area yet, so.
Oh, there's a ghost. I found a ghost. Oh god. Oh god. Get out of here. Found the other cores.
Whatever's in that room is mine.
Can't
Bullshit.
call dibs. The ghost is behind us. Ghost is behind us. He's this way.
There's fucking nothing here.
Come on, follow me, follow me, follow me.
I'm shutting doors for a
You ain't
fucking
doing
reason, says God.
That's what I said.
Oh, that's a ghost.
said. Get in, wolf.
I got the shield.
Okay, or just. Okay, I'll just.
He's trying to break through my shield. Just keep hitting him.
Shank him! Shank him!
Got him.
Good stuff. Nope, nope, get out of here. Come here. No, no, no. No, my God.
Where's that?
It's coins.
Ooh, there's some rubies.
I'll get out of here. Is there anything else this way?
I don't think so.
Oh, I know. I already fucking.
Oh, is that it?
Got your
Let's get out of here.
There's no. You don't even explore.
Alright, let's go find some swamps. Maybe. Maybe.